Wit videos. Wit videos.
Welcome to our video on how to cook pho. Pho is a traditional Vietnamese soup that is made with rice noodles, meat, and a flavorful broth. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of making this delicious dish. Step 1. Make the broth. The first step in making pho is to make the broth. To do this, you will need to simmer beef or chicken bones, ginger, onion, and spices in a large pot of water for several hours. This will create a rich and flavorful broth that forms the base of the soup. Step 2. Prepare the meat. While the broth is simmering, you can prepare the meat. You can use beef or chicken for this dish. If you are using beef, slice it thinly against the grain. If you are using chicken, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Step 3. Cook the noodles. Next, cook the rice noodles according to the package instructions. Once they are cooked, rinse them with cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent them from sticking together. Step 4. Assemble the pho. To assemble the pho, place the cooked noodles in a bowl and top them with the meat. Ladle the hot broth over the noodles and meat. Step 5. Add the garnishes. Finally, garnish the pho with fresh herbs such as cilantro and basil, and add a squeeze of lime juice. You can also add bean sprouts, jalapenos, and hoisin sauce to taste. And that's it. Your pho is now ready to be served. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you will give this recipe a try. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if you have any other variations of pho that you'd like to make. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cooking videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching Wit Mix videos. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much, and God bless you more.
Wit videos. Wit videos.